Like I said, y'all, I already told you. Okay. I already told you already how to do these things. I already told y'all, like I said. Y'all bitches want to eat all you want to eat. I don't give a damn. All right? First of all, I don't care. All right? Okay, y'all bitches can't do like me. Can't do like me, bitches. Y'all go keep on talking now. Keep talking now. You ain't talking to me, Shanae. You ain't talking to me, Shanae. And Diana Ross is not the only one that got it, nor Tina Turner. Ike used to beat the shit out of Tina. I tell you, Ike wasn't no good, but Tina wig always look good. And the one thing I learned to make sure you got some damn good wig in. I like the bright color stuff. I'm not into the dark color. I'm not on the dark side. I'm on the bright side. You hear me? It's a teaser with a teaser, but I just use my nail. Tina decided to make the baby hair and shit. You know what I mean? Lie it down. Lie this bitch down with some glue, my nigga. Got to be glue. It's a baby hair on the side, you know what I'm saying? Because I grow blue hair out of my scalp. You hear me? You hear me? Yeah. You tease this bitch on, my nigga. You get it, man? Damn. This ain't no lace front, this is lace stunt, so you ain't got no lace. You know how it is. I don't want to make them no damn lace. We gotta make some damn lace like a lace front drawers. I tell you. A lot of them ain't got no lace front drawers. You have some big old granny drawers, but they got lace front here on. Your drawers is not laced. So beautiful. Who tell them that Miss Jamaica did wrong tonight? Tell you, man. That's what I say, honey. Honey boo. You ain't talking to me, girl. You just ain't talking to me, girl. She just ain't talking to me, boo. Boo, you too. Hello. Hello. Boo, you too. Hello. No window open and somebody they talk. Sometimes people come out here talking, trying to get attention. Let my hand in here. Hello. I want to love it after that business and I work them, make it hurt them. Me like when me hurt them, you see. Me like when they feel pain. Me love when they feel pain, you see. When they see a laugh and got your little food, then a bun and dirty heart, the heart rotten like a magic in the heart. It's sweet, me bun, you know. Me fly. Flying on the RuPaul show, yes. That's all the style it go, yes. You don't like me, baby, take a blow, yes. Tip on your toe, yes. Yes, on the RuPaul show, yes. You don't like it, baby, take a blow, yes. RuPaul show. I'm on the RuPaul show from back days ago. I watch how the queens put on the makeup, put on the wig. Looking so hot like a cute little chick when I watch them, if the chicks with dicks, cause we don't give a fuck, cause we're with Olivet. And the RuPaul show. Bitches wanna eat my style and I tell them, come and take a blow. Blow, blow, blow. I don't give a rat's ass no matter what they say. I come in Brooklyn and this is the way. You get it in the back and you get it in the front. Yes, you gotta get it because the dirty one done. New York City to take a little smile. Go in Hollywood to chill for a while. When me realize me have to take everything in other side to get to the top. You know what you ain't right? But out of these bitches, they famous, you know. Something of cock, even though they're lying in a row. They still perform and get to the show. And TV, they're so rich and switch. But you never know they suck so much goddamn dick. And you gotta be on the RuPaul show. Where all these chicks with dicks with wigs and makeup, and there they go. They're beautiful though, with nice real art. They know how to paint and tuck. They look so cute when they come outside. You can't believe it's not a girl, but you still want to walk. RuPaul show. When I was young, back in the days, I used to drink enough booze, get drunk all the way. I watch a RuPaul show. I like the makeup. I like the hair. It was so nice. I look in the mirror. I try to do the same like the RuPaul show. But RuPaul is hot though. Got millions and trillions. Show is turned up. I'ma paint one day, walk on the stage like this and know my style book. Me learn from there. I that I made him fret. Cause me learn from the RuPaul show. Some walk outside him say, oh, she just a man. Some of them say she paint up like that. I don't understand. But 2018, all this summer, this is all you're gonna get. All outside in the sun, you're gonna sweat. This is my new look for 2018. I'm gonna get all this color to wear inside. And this is the way I'm going for this summer. So ready for the ride. You want the train, you see me like this. You want the bus, you're gonna see me like this. On the flight, you're gonna see me like that. Everywhere you go, you're gonna see me like that. If I take a dollar van, you're gonna see me like that. If I take an aeroplane, you're gonna see me like that. Cause this is makeup, I hit me a drop. Everywhere I go this summer, this is how I'm gonna look. So, you will know I'm on the RuPaul show. You want to bring me down, but I say come blow, 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 bitch. Blow, bitch. Blow. Put a nice in my mouth, you know. God. Blow. I love your goodies and your family. Bless you. I love you all. But this dirty little maggot not gonna have me climb no wall. A bunch of pecan all natural ice cream and see what I eat. So might melt. I really like soup. See, like soup. Some parts still hard though. Yeah. I love it too. God damn you, bitch. I don't care how sad you want me. You sad because you ain't got no goddamn brain. And you don't know how to love. And now you're going to keep so much niggas grinding in your hole. And you're still not using no protection, bitch. You're a nasty little hoe. That one man to make you feel like you're somebody. Or to make you feel like you can be happy. You can't happy without a man. And because remember good is we happy if we ain't got a man. It hurts your feeling because you're wanted, bitch. You're looking for a babysitter. You all motherfuckers crying niggas ears like you're masketer. Come like when soup hot. Like when soup hot, I drink anybody. milk, I try to drink out the part and say part of the milk, I just feel the part of the milk. By the time I drink out the part of the milk next restaurant, I'm going to melt down. It's a greedy dog I'm born. I love you too, honey. They don't want me to eat no ice cream. They want to curse me and get mean. But when I come on the scene to start my show, bitch, get off my line, I say no, bitch. You sit and you criticize, nobody tell you to come. And you suck on a man's skin with no condom. You're worthless shame whore, why you disappear? Me you wanna give bad name to beer? Somehow no pony now, no yaya, no mouth. Listen to me. Ice cream and milk. Angelica life. That body funny kill the body and the soul go up to God. Oh no, wicked rat. Oh no. Lord, I tell you, this is the devil's wicked boy, but I got you, man. I can't try makeup, that's the one. Hell yeah. Tell me something about it, baby. Guys, man ain't got no brain, you know. And so, I like this summer out of the door, man. I forgot for line us with black. I reckon my line us with black go up, so. I forgot, but next time. Next time, bro. Eh? Ice cream tastes good and clean, man. I like. Wow. Very nice and short. Yeah, man, so. An ice cream whore. But now share dirty man with you. The phone you catch it, man, with your suck off. Ice cream and sweet and your dirty man would. I don't good parasites, you know. I want to blue lipstick. Damn. I'm telling you, I have a blue lipstick. I don't want to spend on my mouth, man. So I just got disappeared. I don't blow it in my mouth. I don't want to eat that, man. All the spoon blow up, watch out. So blow up. Alright. I'll fix it. I can't wipe in my clothes. Yeah, I could. Why not? My clothes. You don't look such a fun. Hell yeah. Where's the goodie? I feel like a lipstick on me done. Thank you, goodie. I love the year. God bless you. God big up yourself. All of y'all big up yourself. Andrea, big up yourself. Love you. Big up yourself. All around you. Marcia, all around big up on yourself. Don't come over and call me like a name. Them big old dirty crutches, so sour upon them. Man, I refuse them, then I know we're going alive. You see me, I do my little thing and people love me all over the world. And people are saying money, me can buy $1.99 lipstick on them. $1.99 lipstick they want to kill me for. $1.99. $1.99. Don't want me to drink water shit. Don't want me to have ice cream. I don't drink ice cream water. Don't want me to have water shit. Huh? If you ugly, so gotta make me yam. Huh? The ugly, make me yam no ice cream. I want to pretend make my Pokeball me. You see ugly and my ice cream and got me bed. So I'm not about me. You know ugly face have some big ass old brother. A pulpit wall, no. A pulpit wall. Blood clot. Pulpit wall. A pastor got preach from big blood clot pulpit. Wicked pastor, them thief in blood clot. Cockfucker. Oh, no one come like gonna take me for that one. Oh, no. Relax my brain, eh? I'm telling you. I stretch like your slime, but I'm spitting on my shit, huh? My spot don't know no more. I'm spitting on me, no shit. And people get the guy like a blue lipstick and everything. Manuel Monroe, black and beautiful. Never blue blonde. Hello. A blue blonde, me out here, me hot girl. Blood clot. Oh, no, hot girl. What about I'm pretty and food for the whole big and sour. On all zaggy, on all make nice. On all come like water, getting a water boat when you go shaka waka. Blood clot like a dead earth, I come for no pussy hole, a dead earth. And the pussy I come, the earth I come, blow in the car, I come collect on the blood clot, dead pussy put it in the earth. Take you to your crutches and put it in the blood clot earth, so the nasty ass. Good ice cream and a poison yet. Take out the down crutch and put it in the earth when it pass. Do a weird girl, do. And the earth no start blow around the corner, purple, research the girl here, the earth to blow purple. When they hear the earth bitch run outside and the dead pussy over here, earth, take it out of very enough, can't take you. Why pussy dead, the man pussy dead. And the earth come out of very pussy dead. Why pussy dead? I saw the Bible, what about blood clad pretty. I no pretty no for ball, pretty make on a pussy down bound. One of the colors. I make the earth start be proper. One of the earth I come to mind of people business. To mind of people business, blow the earth, purple. You hear the earth, what do you get, bitch? Run, go to the earth and say, me know it a long time, Lord, let me get up. Why was it dead? Why was it dead? He dead, oh, he dead. See the earth, taking a buried. Why? He dead, oh, he taking a buried. Put it on the earth, the earth drive around the corner. Burp, step on next blood clot, girl, yard. Burp. Bring it come. Yeah. Swear, girl, nothing on what I do. Bring it come, yeah. Bring it come. Hairs come. Burp. Right now, that's one again. One more. Ah, to the community here. Burp. I'm seeing that pussy. I go on. Why you dead now? See that take it going dead. Why me not say why? Baby, no me gone. You think what's up, take man? And fasten your business. Them still sit down without no blood clot. Remember that one? I never see anything like this in my life. I never see anything like this in my life. I never see anything like this in my goddamn life. And when the hearse collect it, 2 toes then stop ball. Then walk up if you go up in them belly. Hey, you go right to that belly now. Can't not let them stop a right jack. Remember to the hurts come and carry away. Lord God. And then walk on cuss about you ugly. Say, girl, me ugly, but me sit down on twin porky. Twin porky. Twin porky. Say, you know me twin porky. Not ugly, you're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful as can be. Yes, beautiful as you can be. That's right. Huh? Yes. Listen, first of all, me telling you, me tell the dirty beast them say, here what happen. When you come we see a movie star there, don't come with no thinking out because you don't know a taste. Cause I'm not fool nobody and I just dead. You rotten off already. No come over here with no Viagra ass, motherfucker. Don't come over here with your Viagra, your little pill, like an extent or whatever, helping you to get up in society to act like you're gonna salute to me like a goddamn soldier. You gotta sit your ass down, puppy. Fold your goddamn tail between your twigs of your legs and go sit in the mud. Go sit down, puppy Rex. Rex, you're getting too bright now, Rex. You know you're getting too bright now. Go and sit down now, Rex. Go and sit down, Rex. This damn dog, when I talk to this damn dog, don't listen. This damn dog gonna have to do something with this damn dog up in here. Rex, I keep telling you now. This damn dog, come on, get down. Sit, puppy, sit. You're not my standard. Until you behave yourself, I'm gonna put you in timeout. You hear me? And I want to run your mouth, you're gonna be in timeout. God damn it, time out for y'all motherfuckers. I'm gonna put you in time out like a child, and then I'm blacking, you're gonna come back like a dog. You have no intention but to come back. Guess what? I'm putting you in time out when I want to. So that's why. Because you don't know how to respect other people's shit, my nigga. And time and love that I give to share. Love. Listen, you ain't gonna break my goddamn spring now. Because the way God made me know, he said, no. What love got to do with it? And Ike was trying to beat Tina all the time. And Tina didn't know what to do. And she said, what love got to do with you beating me like this? But you see what happened, though. God free her one day. So what I'm saying, I don't give a damn if you like me or not. When the earth's driving around the corner, so my nigga, you give up the whole ass balls. Put your balls and collect them shit inside. Pick your balls and collect them shit on the block. Earth is dead. Put it away now. Right around the corner, my nigga. Come on, bring it out too. Y'all act like you ain't gonna bring it out too, yeah? Because I ain't calling your ass out. But since you want to act like you want to do me, and I'm going to do you right back in, my nigga. 1 for 1 and 1 for 1 and 2 for 2. And the earth's come up and get the goddamn dad dick with 2 goddamn big balls hanging around like some goddamn jellyfish. Hello. I don't know what you do to me, but I love you. No matter what you do to me, baby, I love you. The words that you spoken say you love me and true. It doesn't really matter 'cause I really love you. I love you, baby. Ow. It's in the night when I wake up and I cannot sleep. I need you, baby, 'cause you bring the heat. Because I love you. Oh, I love you. You know the one that make my heart beating. You are the one, baby, I gotta keep. You give me love. Oh. Burn up. It doesn't matter, baby, what you say to me. My heart is breaking, but I never leave. 'Cause I love you so true. You, my baby darling, make me feel so nice. Rock me, baby, squeeze me all night. 'Cause I love you. It's okay to say what you want. I love you, baby, your spirit to turn, 'cause I love you. It's nothing in the world I wouldn't do for you. Just hold me, baby, tell me that you love me too, but then now. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I know, baby, it won't be tomorrow for me to stop crying over your love. I can get over your love. It's okay to say how you feel. Baby, you're my heart that you steal. I love you, baby, 'cause you're the real deal. You're the one that I want in my life. It's okay to say how you feel, 'cause you cannot break me down. I've been moving from place to place. I'm driving all over town. It's okay, I gotta find my way. It doesn't matter what you really say. I gotta get paid every day. So I've been working my way. Oh, darling, do you know I love you? Now I really love you. I love you. I love you. Ow, 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 ow. I've been working hard abroad. I've been trying, baby, on the minor yard. I'm a baby, you saw me. Baby, you saw me. Baby, you saw me and ran away. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. I get beautiful getting older. The wicked is on my shoulder, but I don't give a damn. Oh, say you're beauty, baby girl, pretty as the blue as the morning sky. You pretty little blonde, you blue-haired girl, you're beautiful like the sky. And no, stop it, man, X7. Yeah. That's why I don't want to look at the screen. I was trying not to, because beautiful baby girl, you're beautiful baby girl, you're beautiful blue like the sky, Beauty is an eye of the beholder. I looking beautiful, I get older. You see my little beautiful skin. I'm a beautiful blue. I'm so happy in my heart tonight. Now I'm never sing the blues, but I like the color so big and bright, 'cause the color, yes, is blue. Haters and betrayers, just like betrayed Judas. He tell the lion Jesus, God damn Judas. But we don't give it down when they're dressing my blue, 'cause I'm pretty and smooth. Look at my skin, got an alligator spot, 'cause I take the bleaching cream and I take out the spot. Pretty blue like the sky, on my skin to up. The bitches wanna eat with the blackest skin, 'cause it's spotty black and rough. They don't wanna look black, pretty and smooth. Still they wanna get so rude. They wanna talk about my cream, but still the bump. The spot like a soldier recruit. I don't give a damn though I'm pretty in my blue. Singing all night long, you can't stop the song. I'm singing the way I feel. If you wanna tag along, I'm wearing this beautiful color, cause color is what I do. I like to with the color because I'm no longer feeling blue, but it's pretty and my hair and skin, I don't give a damn. Bitch, if you do not like me, but keep on singing the song, I don't give a shit. If you want hate, so you send it great, but still you wanna talk, bitch. I'm still gonna eat my cake. You're moving like fucker, and you want to be that snake, but I don't want to give a damn, bitch, cause me you're gonna hate. I don't suck cocky like you, I'm trying to drift away. I try to work, oh bitch, to find me a better day. I don't give a fuck what they sit and talk. You bitches just wanna slay. You ain't got nothing but to group up and try to find you a better day. Come and suck my ass. I don't give a damn. You damn little snaky bitches. I know where you're coming from. You can't stop me now cause I don't give a fuck out of what is underway. You get inside my way, I'm gonna shit on you today. Goddamn bitch, I don't care. Can't you see you got in my way? I'll get in my big boot and step on you on the way. I don't want to be cruel, but this bitch is so rude. Cause my skin is so pretty, and my damn skin is smooth. This bitch's skin by bleaching cream, they criticize every day. And the skin of all this bump, like it's a damn parade. I don't know what they want, keep me doing my thing. Blue, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, do my thing, oh yeah, huh. Do my thing. I'm in afraid of no ear time. Make them go and sit down and talk. Girl, I try to scratch his tail out like a dog and yam you out and back. The man sit down every day with one of them throat and one of them I know is not. Suck out your mama, don't tip out mumbo, rasty me that clad. Me not give a fuck. If you want to touch, suck out your mama till your mama boost. Poke off, get off me line. You are dirty and you come in like a sign. Dirty mind, pig man, bad mind. Can't stop me cause I'm full of sign. But I know that I can't stop me no time. Cause the blessing it a fall one time. And I come every day and I brought up on a mouth like I only really want to try. I don't give a fuck on a dirty fucking magic and no son of dirty fucking fly. I don't wanna try, Rastafari, Selassie son. Yay! Selassie son! I made a vampire ever be bring down just Selassie rewind and come in my youth. Yeah. Like butter pecan sit down. The nuts each up on my teeth in my way. Anyway. So a lot of nuts, man. Anyway. I'll find more. So anyway. Me like how them eat and them can't stop come fi run me down. Me a go mix them and boil them like a pot a run down. Me like how the eat of them a come and them can't stop me run. Me a boil them in a pot like a run down. Boil them girl until I'll come. Boil the eater like a rundown. Boil them girl until I'll come. Boil the eater them like a rundown. Them a come out with them mouth full of fat attack. And some of them smell like when you're just fat. But when my sit down and I go on like say them a damn ark, they want to pitch like a them a chicken ark. Me no give a rat sauce, me no give a damn. Girl, me nah come in your yard, come bury you nothing, and beg you nothing for yam. Dirty stinking, girl, your crotch is big old like them big old zinc pan. Why you no come off, you and go find fi suck your mouth pan a John. Me no response fi no idiot when me talk. Cause some of them are one of them are dark, they no want nobody else back. But when they think me put on me a hot girl, me no whole fart. Me will come up like a them like a devil with a fork. Coop on them talk about them want to spit and arc. Look on them want to go on and come like a dirty bumbo clot. And me then want to come trace with. And then I know say I me them want to come trace with. Come in and me face me with me with. In a your eye you will know you fit trace with. Dirty girl you fit go and look attention and me are the only one a star. Me a star pan the east, west and north and south. You a star pan body where you reaching at your throat. Hey dirty girl nobody make me take no hold. Cause God alone pan me throne. Them attack every day and me a live me life. Me no worry about girl because body make them nice. When me a try make a money and I make me life. Them a sit down and a criticize. Them a collect money for them post in milk and dime. Quarter and 20 cents them sometime. But them nah no time for do no better. Them a sit down by your name like slime. Look on them too. Them look like turn back time. Them want to sit down and criticize me in a me pretty blue sky here. After no man cocky me that suck and no pressure on me throat me that beer. I work hard and buy me little here. But them coulda out of hard and so confused. Girl and me man have cocky to your throat and shoe and I use. For one big pack of Indian here. And when you wear it not up you look like a goddamn fool. Excuse me, ma'am. You want to go rush. You don't realize that this is blue your girlfriend when we come up on and eat you and crush. Like a fire gun in your body make you get a rush, possible. You don't know me. You want to come too. You hear say this is an easy getaway, an easy highway for your speech, oh. Me we punch you, tire girl. Listen to me. I can see you in the spirit because the man that suck off last night. Him not answer you today. Your saliva go and dry in your throat and me you want to come get it wet? No girl, nobody come try if you come get me vex. Me not gonna make you dry me out after me have this too big implant right up on my chest. Hello, in my brain and I go comment on this. Me not see you cause I'm here the star boo. Hello, big old girl. Campaign all site. Construction all site. Hello, Atlantic City Ocean. Hello. And me you want come trace with? You know, sister, God I give me blessing. Him now waste with. But I want to dirty girl like Uno. Uno lie down on the back and catch man all night. Uno make on a ball. And tomorrow man do him a soap for washing us all. But still pound on you know a cry if you take a next man old. Don't know like if you go sit down lie down and ball. Money me I look on alright. Me come a foreign fi come find a way. Make me blue ear make it stay. And me celebrity style but I make it steal. Yes, the blue fit me, you see? Cause my body no blue inside, my mind no blue. So me feel blue outside for remind you how blue you are. Or you hate me because I'm a superstar. No, sir. Me on the egg for you come mash. So girl, before you start, remember that. Me will root you up like you're planted by the waterside. And no come out of that. Anyway, I don't want to lose a love. Bad blood clot singer. So I'm gonna sting you know. Can't pass sting, go sting out and check out. When they see me, I come make way for me, baby. Don't step on me can, call me dangerous. Hello. You see what I mean? Them don't like you. When God like you, they want to fight you. And when the angel right to them, want to right along. But the times I know, but they are here already. Remember the best of it and get out. Hallelujah. Tell you this. Yes, yes, sir. Hello, yes, sir. Don't try me. No, baby girl, not today, darling. No, baby. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Ain't alright, don't do it. No, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you. Don't do it. Alright. Me hear you. So you say. Yes, hypocrite. Yeah, man. So you say hypocrite. Yes, hypocrite. No, me never get the shoes yet. No, me never get the dress yet. Where you want my business for? No, me man reach home at you. Me man fuck what you ask my man for. No, bitch, no. Everything is no. Hello. Hello. No. Hello. I don't know why, but I love you. And the world is so beautiful, and you too. But if you only find peace in your heart, and love will bring you so far. And if you can find your way, open your heart and pray, and He will show you the way. I can tell you how to live your life, but I'm not gonna sit here and let you bring me fucking down, bitch. I will never let you bring me down, bitch. I will never, bitch, I'll never, bitch, I'll never, bitch, I'll never let you let me down, bitch. I'll never. Fuck. I don't care. I will never. Okay, damn it. Yeah. Hello. Hello, somebody. Fuck is this? Hello. Hey. How are you, man? I'm good, my son. What's up, my nigga? Word to my mother's son. What's good, my nigga? What's good? What's good? Pump it in me. What's good, my nigga? What's good, man? My man, what's good? Make it good, son. Let's make it real good. Nah. Take your time now. Make it good. Nah. Make it good. Don't rush yourself like you ain't smell no pussy before. Take your time now. You smell that shit shoot off. You ain't get to do nothing yet. Just the smell make you reach. God damn it, you reach so quick before I even touch it. Just the smell make you reach, my nigga. By the time you smell it, like, damn, you came already. That shit, like, this pussy went right up in your nose and go down your goddamn brain. Like, I know you could sniff pussy and just come. You sniff that shit up in your nose and you just pop right down like that. It's like you fly up in your nose. Did it go to your nose? It's like a sniff, it go right up in your nose and just connect somewhere else. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know. Y'all got some crazy things that happening to me in life, though. I ran into a few of them, you know what I mean? Lord, I tell you, why man is looking for woman when you know he ain't got no use? I don't see. Y'all, my niggas, why y'all looking for woman when you can't handle no woman, man? Y'all talk a lot big and boasting. Y'all can't do nothing right, man. Stop fucking talking like a woman, man, like a bitch, man, and you can't handle a woman, man. Because when a man talk a lot, you could tell him he got a small teely-weely, man. Like, your teely-weely is kind of small, my nigga. You talk too much like a girl, man, because if you have any manpower going on, you ain't got no time to sit and talk like a bitch and bitches shit, man, act like a bitch, run up and on like a bitch. It's because you ain't got much going on, man. You just get mad with a bitch because she got a hold that you don't have. You want that hold, man. You want to be like her, man. You need a hold, my nigga, man. That's why you don't talk bad about me and shit. Which man gonna talk bad about me that I ain't do nothing to? You don't know me, talk bad about me. Because you mad at me, man, because I got 2 holes, my nigga. You're like, damn, man, how she get 2 holes, man? I only got 1 hole, man, and I got this meat right here, 2 balls in it. But, man, listen, man, it's not my fault, man. Just let me be, my nigga, man. It's not my fault, man. I didn't do it, man. And I ain't telling mama to have you like that, man. If you were to be a man or to be a girl, my nigga, well, you could have go to the doctor and got surgery, man, and make yourself a hole. You ain't got to be mad at me, man. I mean, all these things, it's there, man. It's just money. Just go and do it, man. Make a hole, man. You ain't got to be mad at me, man. I mean, I don't deserve it, you know what I mean? I really don't. Really tell you the truth. I don't deserve it, man. Yeah. Me like how the 8 of them a run come. Make we boil them down like a rundown. Make we boil them girl till I'll come. 'Cause we love how the 8 of them a come. Them a come a try down fi come pull me down. But me see them from far like a dog. I hang out them tongue. Me no cater fi no hater 'cause me spiritual talk when me speak inside of me tongues. Alright. The 8 of them a come, we have to boil them down. Boil them like a pot, like a rundown. Boil them in a pot till I'll come. Say the 8 of them a come, we have to boil them down. 8 of them a come, we have to boil them down. Boil them in a pot like a rundown. Boil them till I'll come. 'Cause if you boil the 8 of them down, them have to run come, them have follow run come. Me still a boiling no down like a rundown. A stepping stone to me mansion, me know it a come. So feel a gun and go and go sit down. Sit down and show me say you're mad. Because I tell you something that make me sad. Young go make me say back mind active. And that make me really, really glad. Tell the 8 of them fi run come. Make we boil them down like a rundown. Boil them in a pot until I'll come. Tell the yeta them fi come. Tell the yeta them fi run come. Boil them in a pot like a rundown. Boil them gal until I'll come. Boil the yeta down like a rundown. Speak the truth, ever cost your peace, man. Speak the truth and cost what it. Cause some of them talk, man. You know what about them talking, man? They can stop me, man. I'ma make it to the top, to the Olivet. Bop, bop, bop. Hollywood. I'ma make it to the top, bop, bop. Hollywood coming, zop, zop, zop. I'ma make it to the top. I'ma make it to the top. It's like, hear me, man? As a little girl, as a little girl in Jamaica, I grew like a little soldier. I never had clothes and I never had shoes. Many days I went to school, hungry like a motherfucker, still to learn the rule. But I couldn't learn nothing. I was like a damn fool, too much pressure on my brain. I couldn't get it right. As a little child, abused all my life. That shit wasn't right. They beat me, here come. They spit in my face. They turn around and rape me. Tell me I was shit. But now I realize they're all the motherfucking shit pit. So I say to myself, I don't give a fuck. I'm already dead and I rise. So I'm come up now, I'ma talk. They don't like what I say. They want to show me hate. So I start to talk out this shit, criticize. So they want to come and take my life. I say, dig the way you are going first. Dig the way you are going first. Dig the way you are going first. The pussy wanna make me heart burst. Dig the way you are going first. Dig the way you are going first. Dig the way you are going first. You are going first. Yo, dig the only gotta go in it first. You wanna threaten me, motherfucker? Now you're in the earth. You never wanna talk but you're bad that you're a blood thirst. Now you see the pain that you cause. You're lying 6 foot under, just like a corpse. You're lying there now. The shit ain't no joke. You dig the hole and you bury your first. You dig the hole and bury your first. You dig the hole and bury your first. Coffee me heart now go burst. Me no craving for money and vanity. Me no fucking money thirst. But some of them walk up to you like the blood thirst. They only want to see your body in the fucking earth. The hate is real. This is a real fucking deal. You try to make it out, they want to pull up with bullet and steel. I'm telling this shit and this shit is the real. Said the hate in the heart, you can't realize. Or people can be hate, they don't even smile. And sometimes you think, you got to think from a while. But you still got the blessing, Mr. Since you was a child. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make it to the Hollywood, son. I want to make it to the Olivet. Las Vegas, you see me coming right now. I'm the body superstar, you hear me coming right now. I'm the body superstar, you hear me coming right now. You hear me coming right now. You hear me coming right now. And the body Spanish still let the coming right now. You hear me coming right now, and the nigga coming right now, and the nigga coming right now, coming right now. Hey. First of all, I never afraid of the street. Many times I'm in the street, gunshot fire everywhere, it's all eat. In Spanish Town, I got a duck in my house. Run in the back, is everywhere gunshot, you know, M16, damn, they're on the scene. When you look aside, you know, it's gonna be PNP or labor right, shooting after each other, all innocent people just die. I said, what the fuck, gunshot, proop, proop. I didn't have time to cry, so I have to rush on my belly, come from the country, that shit was scary. I never heard a gun bust till I get to the town. Gunshot fly to the house. I was on my belly looking like a clown. I was so afraid, man. But I'm telling you, nigga, it's real in the streets, yo. Nobody ain't sorry for you, yo. Them a smile with a yo. They not give a fuck about you, yo. So your friend are your worst enemy. That's why you're not trust nobody, yo. No matter how you take it, them aren't never free. No matter what them talk about, you can't trust them, be. Yo, me I tell you that straight to them, nigga. Yo. So I said to myself, I gotta go to Hollywood now, man. I gotta go to Hollywood and, you know, I'll get up in Hollywood, I'll be like Cardi B
B and shit, you know what I mean? I gotta rap like Cardi B, you know, Cardi B, I'm coming at you, man. You know what I'm saying? My nigga blow, 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 yeah, man, you know. Yo, man. Yo, big up Cardi B, man. Yo, Cardi B, I'm coming, my nigga. Yo, man. I'm the blue-haired girl, and I'm the blue-haired girl. Blue like the sky, ain't no pearl, and I'm the blue-haired girl, and I'm the blue-haired. You know they call me blue, but my heart never blue. Yeah, I'm talking girl, you're cute as you. I'm telling them, this blue and the blue. I tell you, yo, Hollywood, I come. You know, in Hollywood, they don't have to sing a lot. You know, you have to remember. I mean, Cardi B is very good. But many people are not so good, but they make it. But I mean, it's not about you being good, it's about you not being good while you're going to make it most of the time. So you have to just do what you can. And, you know, if you have luck and you can suck dick good, you run into somebody suck the dick and you get up there real quick. Next thing you know, in Hollywood, you know, you suck a couple of dicks. And you always get through after you suck the dicks. If you can do it good and you're missable person or whatever, quiet person, you can just say, go here and go here. And, you know, people have a problem with you. But once you screw, then screw yourself in the career. So if you want to be on top, you got to make it rock on top. With your tongue like a lollipop, Hollywood. Yeah. Mama said, no, I want to go to Hollywood, but I don't want to suck her. I don't give a damn you want to see about me, man. I'm riding this rhythm like it's supposed to be. I don't worry about these bitches. They fuck on the freebie. Ooh, I'm looking for money, son. I'm searching for that. I'm not selling my soul. I ain't sneaking like no rat. Because some of these dudes, they done sell their soul. Now they can't live up to their promise. Remember that. But I'm not creeping. I'm only rising. Because only time to rise, but no time to fall. Because a lot of these motherfuckers, when they see your back against the wall, but then you're going to find your strength and you got to stand tall. Because no evil are going to make you bend down and crawl. Once you fall, once you rise, make them sit down and criticize. It doesn't matter because the time come. We have to rise like your eye in the sky. You have ever any money. Money have to pack up right now like a bear upon a tree. Fuck the whole of them, me no cater for enemy. Money have to come like a bear upon a tree. Fuck the ear talker, we have to get money. Them a sit down and a worry and a criticize when the money come and make our life so nice. When the money eat us well like a pot of right rice, them a sit down and Jesus Christ. Nobody blame me. Yo, man, it's like that, son. It's like that. When the hater come at you, them only so cock. Most of these bitches is cocking the fucking throat that make it rock. They want to talk to you, they can't breathe. Cocking the throat, stopping the bread from being free. But still they want to come and fucking talk to me. Bitch, get alive. Can't you see your collect dick slice? Can't you see your fucking collect fucking dick lice from dick balls here? And you want to come and talk about you wearing new brassiere? Bitch, you have your mouth loud up here on my face like I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Go suck another dick that make you feel good, bitch. Leave me. Leave me. Suck a next bitch in your throat, make you can't breathe, bitch. You feel leave me. Leave me. Come off of my name, stop bleed me. Bleed me. Suck a next cock in your throat, girl, make you choke up in your throat, make you can't breathe, girl. You feel leave me. Come off of my name, you feel it. Man, blow lipstick, be myself, girl. Remember God, girl. May God take and be free. Early time ain't got nothing to do with nothing we do, boy, you know. Leave me alone, mind the business. Satan, go suck yourself. He does you like, but you don't have to does you like. And I said, hallelujah. Yeah, so, you know, listen to me, bitch, you low-life, nasty, frownsy, crotches whore. I have not come to your house and borrow any drawers from you, neither my granddaughter. And my name is Mrs. Cockafart. And when you come on this line, you must have some decency and respect among you. I don't come back on this blasted motherfucking line. Do you understand that Olivet smell is my granddaughter? Well, woman, let me tell you, come on this break. And let me tell you what I say. You know, I come with the heart, you can't problem on the pussy about, you know. The woman pussy now about her. The woman pussy come for the woman got full. And she never ice cream. The woman about nobody. Come on for the man blood clot like thinking pussy and go find someone to drive you mad. You see, don't be a right for you, then a ride you, I can't try right for no one. No man have time for no woman, I do her thing and be laugh and funny and be a star. Go suck cocky, make it kill you. Go suck cocky, make it time into life. Right, don't be like, wait, I don't know. Make it time into some more. Make it cocky, make it time into some more than your throat, you nasty crackhead bitch. I don't give a fuck another one. Me come outside clean, come out, do all kind of sit and people come run court to see away. When me read my paper all the time, me clothes go so cocky. You think me I just up come out if you come proof to nobody, I prove nothing to none of you. When you come pick up on the cream, when you pick up on the corner and then go a business, me I do. Me I tell nobody say me I come out and do a countdown superstar, this is me superstar part line. When I mean say me I be superstar in a real life, when you see me. In a real life, me have to wash my clothes, man, do what I think I wash my dry scratch. Me can my grass scratch thing for me, I'm full of cheese. Like a whole thing apart catch his cheese. That's when I dry scratch, not mine. Someone who a fucking catch his cheese dry scratch. With all kind of yellow post and sit and come out and not thinking all. But you don't have time for talk about people. You don't have custard all. Custard, all custard. You see, child? Puh. 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 I sweep them up after. Those are the ones that go in my throat, the grains from the butter pecan. Yes, my child. Listen to me. When my granddaughter come on this thing here, you must leave the woman alone. Make sure do what you want to do. Now, this is her line from Facebook. And a phone line from Facebook. After the woman same thing. It's a free social media aspect. And she come and do what she wants. She not bad on nobody. And a big loose pussy girl like a footloose. Man can dance now like a dance all floor. And if you left the woman business alone. You know who are all about and you can't find a rest in peace. So the pussy won't make on a rest and you can't keep people near my rest. Big crutches girl no sit down on a pussy but it a fat poo bigger than when me belch and a hole underneath there. Because you don't want to fast now people and take people man till they say dopey by your pussy hole. Well when the dopey a fuck you when they sit down attack, please not come over here, come over and try to make my life. Because I'm not going to put up with it, neither my granddaughter. And I tired to tell no all the time I coming on well. Yes, ma'am, I coming on well, ma'am. Since I go and see the doctor, you see, the doctor give me some medicine and he clear up my throat a bit. So sometimes they say, Miss Kakafat, you sound different. Me say, well, you never know me go to England and come back. From me go to England and come back, everybody I say, you sound different. The doctor them over the bend go to. Yes, man, all the way when you're there, all Cuba, you know. And if you live in Havana, Cuba, Havana. You have Olivet Havana Street in Cuba. There are whole doctors in Cuba, almost door to door. All both on the neighbor doctor today. I saw it run. It have a lot of doctors. And it's a poor country, you know. But like I tell my granddaughter, I say, listen to me. Some of these big pussies bitches, they've been sucking cocks around the block. They go all boat and then jump in a man car all time and night all boat. And the ones where they come to cuss my granddaughter Olivet and tell the girl all kind of nasty thing about the girl. And them they all both a suck all kind of whole manhood and all kind of thing and life no good with them. But they like to show off and go on like say things good with them and great with them when them pussy have to pay the price. When them sit down on the pussy, I burn them. Them can't sit down on them pussy good, you know. It burn them because it tender. The amount of hood I go in and out, and when they don't know, all they can buy a Chinese chicken wing and 2 burger, McDonald's and some fries. And go right in a $10 store, go shop. And all in rainbow. And go inside and find a bow inside rainbow and put on. And so on. So, me look into it and say to myself that these people's problem, you know. I don't have time for anybody come and bring me down when their crutches don't bring down. Unless me put my crutches to rest, make it rest in peace. I didn't stop the earth and put it out here because it's still alive. But I put it to rest for now. And let it rest. Them a come with them big whoop up crutch with them pussy a belt with them slung all on the train. Then come in here tonight for come take me down. Like them here say me a hunt on them pussy and me a pussy monster me go and kill it before it get out and spread. No, ma'am, I'm not paying license from my mouth, ma'am. I'm talking freely from my heart. I love people. But sometimes when people come, me not dress up also because I'm busy all day. Me running, me come out for the train, me come inside, put on my bag and run back out and meet somebody. Me this, me that. So me busy all the time. Me now go make us go dress up and this and put on this like a puppy show. I run go to the door, go meet people, see me every day on the internet. No, ma'am, if that's what you're looking for, I'm not starting a show at that time. I'm living a regular life. And me forget to have all this paint and this stuff and regular life. And it's time for show, it's time for show. Alright? So don't expect you're going to see a show when you come and see me. In the summertime, you're going to find me like all the time like this because it's summertime. And I'm going to be outside all morning early. Me get up and get ready and go out. So you will find me like that when you come and meet me. But not in the winter time here. Especially if me I put on the little robins. I mean, I have from this. I put on the little robins. Who don't know how that go already? Yes, ma'am. And this man put this whole up mad face first with the person. This is a fake profile. Well, you can mad all you want where the ras ya do pa ya. Put up my pages where rating. Where ya do pa ya? Thinking batty whole where ya do pa ya? You think me give a ras but what no one do? One no big old batty wall we stretch out. Think a crack is one stretch out to the batty wall stretch out to. Can walk and fucking on the batty about and it big as some pussy. Somehow no. Somehow no. No, me no give a ras. Cause someone who are fucking on the body big, someone a young boy on the body stretch out, I don't still nah nothing for sure feel. Man fucking to the body big. So uno are the same to uno want come play at eat. Me go long, because me never eat nobody. Go long. Uno thinking body and big body stretch out and big pussy. Go long with it. They be drunk on no want it. Go long with it. Wanna take me Fred down upon this mother's cunt? You know how long me no come by ya? I don't think you not come run me off of my celebrity site. No, baby. You not run me off of my celebrity site, you know. Me have to start my show. I'm not me couldn't run me off. I'm in national social media. And national social media. I'm a virgin and I'm 25 on my my application. I'm looking for someone for love. Yeah. Tina, yeah? You ain't moving out of my fucking place, girl. Big blood clot, God, why you good to me? Tina. Yeah, I heard you. Asking you a question. You know, I'm moving to my place. When you gonna move out my fucking place, girl? When? Eh? When you gonna leave out my place? I mean, when do you even buy a place, my youth? What the fuck is this? Rather than you have the bed and box where you ask man when they're gonna go. Like you have a blood clot palace and nobody tells you they want to stay. They want to stay that for one time. My blood clot. We can't take the matter here, this bugs and fucking rats. Yo, I'd rather pay rent and the bugs and take up resident. Start to breathe like a bitch. Motherfucker, yeah, can't bring me down, man. I'm a soldier, man. I mean, I know the move, my nigga, you know what I mean? I know you can't fucking believe it. Somebody call me private, I know say you know. I know say you, but me never come back to you. After so much bug me don't eat in the night in my food, them. Tastes away funny like bug in my food, I eat one time, I try taste like bug, I like bug in my mouth. Bugging at me ears and all them fuck with it. That was so disgusting. I know I've been in hell, man. The bugs just eating me alive. Done rats bite you. That's the worst feeling. You wake up and find a rat all in the bed with your live rat. Like what the fuck on your sheet with your sleep. Like a berry. The fuck. Yo, that's what some fucking thoughts, my nigga. I tell you, the devil is wicked, I tell you. So when y'all bitches want to keep talking, and ain't, just keep going, man. What you talking ain't gonna break me down, man. You ain't gonna do me shit. When you all keep talking, I keep rising, because that's the shit. My money talks to me, bitch. What the fuck? You're like a lice in your pussy ear itch. I don't give a damn what you want to talk, bitch. Y'all talk about your love, but you only ate. Just like that, you switch. But I don't give a fuck, because I'm not sucking for breakfast, lunch. I'm not sucking a dick. Y'all, bitch, get away from here. I don't give a damn. You talk about me, but you ain't got tire to spare. Y'all sucking on dicks in cars to the fucking window smear. Sweat, eat from the fucking dick, sweat up the glass. Y'all talk about your hotness. We don't give a damn what you want to come on here and say, bitch. Bad mind is burning you. You're going to take a precious time and come on somebody's line to bring them down. It makes no sense, bitch. It makes no sense. You're going to come on somebody's line to waste your time, you nasty motherfucker. You got to get out of here. You all you nasty hoes that run in the bathroom taking cocaine and shitting on your goddamn self in his house. You all move out of here. Now you find my life to think you could torment me. Go torment the mama big pussy that you follow. You nasty little helpless motherfucker. I'm sorry for you all, some of y'all motherfucker. I'm just so sorry for you all. Because your life is so fucking sad, my nigga. My belly is full. Let me relax in this goddamn chair I bought now. Oh, nice chair. Watch my hair. How beautiful it is, ain't it? Gotta make them mad, you know. Show them that you're beautiful and it's burning them. You're a star now, girl. In every country, you're going to make some money just on you're making people buying the cream. Hey, Goody, thanks for the ones who ordered tonight. Call in, as you said, it's 347. Call tomorrow, though, because it's late time. Everybody gone to bed now. So tomorrow you call, and we take your order and payment in the morning. I'm about business. Get your jewelry. Like I said, get your jewelry, get your cream. The other light come in, so it looks kind of dark in here. We no worry about the dirty thinking, boy, them we fuck party all the time, talk about two man, them a fuck, come on. Some boy that live in that room here one time, him a fuck party straight, him a fuck, come on. And the girl when they would not understand, him a body bad. Them nasty loss. Bitch get full all the time. 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 Yeah, light is here now, bitch. The lights, it's beautiful colors, man. That's why they don't like, Olivet. They don't like this girl because she's beautiful, man. They don't like this girl because, she loves herself, you know what I mean? Yeah. Feel good that it could make you fucking hurt. It feels me good to know they hate you so much and they still have to log on to watch you. Ain't that a bitch? They think that when they log on and say shit about you, that's going to destroy you. Make people follow you even more. Because people want to see. The more they talk bad about it, the more people follow me. So thank you for advertising my name. Thank you for such goodness. Don't you know that you're my hero? Lipstick there now. Where lipstick there, the other one? To the old one, I want new one, I just buy. So one old one, no, I know one. So what already I use that. Just have a new one. Oh, it drop off. So wait there. Hi, honey. How's the night going, my love? How's the night going, my love? I love you too. Yeah. I love you too. I know. Like Diana Ross. Right? Look like Diana Ross. Oh, yeah. Or Shaka Khan, I don't know. Which one's better? Hi. My name is Olivet. Yeah, my name is Olivet. And I've been traveling to London lately. The last trip I made, I leave from Connecticut. I went to Heathrow Airport in London, and they tried to owe me for something I didn't know about. I wanted to run away and escape, but finally went back to London, and I ran into this white guy, and I was with him for a little while, but he couldn't have pleased me. He's just miserable, and he gets spanked all the time. So I'm here in Brooklyn now. So I don't even tell what people bitches say. I spent a lot of money for my bundle of hair. A lot of money. I spent a lot of pounds to buy my hair. And everybody's my hair like, oh my God, I love it. Where do you get that hair to buy? I was like, bitch, don't ever try it. Everything you want it, everything you have, don't want it. Like I said, I don't like to be like nobody else. I like to be myself. And I knew that I'm fabulous and famous also, not just fabulous. And, the only thing left for me to do right now is to try myself to get myself into an agency that I could get to Olivet. A lot of people say, it was like, if you want to go to Olivet, the best thing for you to do is like actually save some money and, get some clothes, some shoes and gloves and everything they're going to wear, and try to book yourself in a hotel in Olivet. But, sometimes people do that, but they always end up in Olivet Street, doing drugs. They get hooked with drugs. They last their dream, So I'm taking my time now, and that's the reason why I'm going to Olivet yet. But I'm saying to myself, I'm going to try this somehow to get to Olivet, because I think Olivet, even though they say it's aloe inside, I would like to be in the red carpet, and so on, because like, you're a superstar. And like I said, I traveled from London and now in America here, and I'm telling you, every time I walk outside, someone like, oh my God, you look so gorgeous. I love the color hair, and everybody want to steal my color. And I was like, no, bitch, don't even try to tell me my color don't look good. And don't even try to copy my shit. I'm begging you, please, bitch. Don't even try. You bitches are bloody wicked, bloody goddamn fool. And you like to try people all the goddamn time. Let me tell you something, speak you bitches. I'm not afraid of none of y'all. I'm not afraid. I've learned already how to deal with y'all bitches when you try to bring me down. I will not have it. I travel all over the world, different places. And like I tell you, people really love me. And they love my style, my fashion. So you bitches is not going to come in here and think you're going to talk me down. Talk about I don't look nice, you don't look good. No, bitch. You're going to mind your own business and let me be bright and blushy and beautiful. Thank you. So that's it. In the summertime, I can't wait for this summer kiss. When I walk outside like this, everybody's going to stop me like, oh my God, you look gorgeous. Where do you come from? It's like right in Jamaica. Where here do you think I come from? Right from the banana farm, honey. That's the life to live, honey. And so on. But I love you. I love the ones who love me. Shut your motherfucking mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up! I tell you, no nasty motherfuckers. Olivet Smelly is my granddaughter. And I'm not going to come and trying to destroy the poor girl. When she was sucking salt from banana seed, nobody never did help her. And she helping herself and not coming on no talent, motherfucker. Talk about a star and nobody feel nobody watch because nothing good more wine up on the skin out on a sour banana crutch. And because the woman come by here and she have a couple of friends who take off her neck from the galleys. Who know a Satan, dirty drunk, who know a Satan.
Drunk oh no a Satan. Because ongo Satan can make somebody hate somebody so and they not do them nothing. And they don't know them. Them come from all boat to them cars and can like them a come out a cobweb batty hole. Them come in. You understand me? Calling for what? Me nah answer none of who no want no calling. Because me tell you so it's too late for call for cream. I don't know that but you know call no one start some shit you ain't gonna be no shit over here. Go call somebody else for no dirty raw so no. Go call somebody else drunk or tribe. Drunk or smaddy go call somebody else and no bother with me. Make my granddaughter strive. Somehow no bad mind till you hold no sweet again. Who no care hold no man they all about a stray like stray dog. Just because no hold no sweet in night. Who no spend time for so long and get the muscle and tighten the hole. Who no run a fast and I bring down people and the hole I go no trouble. Look all the pussy tight and sell off. Every grain, every drop I sell off. Me have to hunt and try get more. When me go to the end of the world and me never get it. So me don't know why they think they going to upset me. Go along on the bed, go sleep and wait till they get it and don't crucify me. Nothing want to set your hand to find me. Me they too high right now, me I'm good and me sleeping good. Me no hear you. So the word is me no hear you. The word is me no see you and me no hear now. Get no attention out of me. You could have cussed me like a dog, me not call your name because me no see you and me no hear you. You're not relevant, baby, and me are the star. So me can't take me precious star, yeah. Them. If you go cuss you and hunt you down by your comment, me no low as you, me higher than you. And you are watch me down pan below. So me no going come down if you come meet you, you hear so scratches dark pussy. Me no going come down if you come meet you. Me going turn right up on me high chair, me sit down pan. And make you sit down the run back at me and cuss me and kill yourself till you get tired. Cuss until you get tired like a drunk or tripe. On a little pato belly. Galang. Me not afraid of no. Who no want to stop Olivet from being a superstar because no bad mind active. Who no mind think and dirty. Who no want to come be a superstar, no do know to entertain. Who no can't find the mother's cunt word them. Who no can't find nothing and can't sing a song, but who no want to come bring on the poor girl pan her knee. If you come crucify her and give her a shot in the head, I tell her say the devil is a God, I'm like, it's not gonna work. Find another way out, another solution. Because me not going to come off a Facebook and left it so. A long time me there, I off and a puff, and child, who no can come and try blow the place away. But one thing me can tell you, no going to do that to my granddaughter no time soon. No time soon, my child is a good girl. And the girl work hard and tired of drag her sitting up and down and still find time to come by you. Who no like it go suck your hog pussy, mama? Galang go suck your hog pussy, mama. Galang your mama hog pussy, you figure suck. I eat your come out. I eat and make your tan so. I eat and make your bad mind. Wanna act into people things and people take on down on mad. How you go add yourself to somebody when you know you have them take it down your mad? You have no right, you're damn out harder. So do one thing, so no go and pull me down in a Satan batty hole because me already living in it. You hear me? Me already live in a Satan papa hole. No can't draw me no further where me are they go. Come on, no want to no fight over the short dick Vinci man. Go along with him, me left him go. No, now if you come over here, him is not here. And he will never be here. He will never see me again till the day I'm dead. He will never see me again. Me make sure of that. Never. I think call me no answer. So therefore, and then go along. Why you following behind me? You think the man a follow back at me? Not me, me not have time for that. One minute for man, me him done, that's it. And me him done now good way, and me go back later on and race in shit, me done racing away again. Can me realize why I'm never there around all this time? It remind you, refresh your memory again. So when you don't like you, then come on, me then come. Come on, baby. Come on to me, little children. Come on to me, little children. Come on to me. Lie them down, ashes to ashes,
and dust to dust. I come to Jesus as I am. And you know, when I got funerals, I don't go to funerals, you know. The song them alone make you feel sad. I mean, I think the song is the worst song when they sing make you feel more worse than how you feel. I don't know, but you know, I mean, yeah. Live your life and enjoy your life, man. Enjoy your life. When you want to go and eat, but then go and eat until them belly bone them. Make it burn them like a mother's cunt. Make it burn them. You know, give a damn. Make it burn them. Yes, sir. You're so beautiful. You're a superstar. Only thing you need, girl, is a big fast car. A house with the keys and a jingle bell. And a man grind you so hard you cry for help. That's what you need, girl. That's what you need, girl. I tell you what I want, me want a man we can perform. Me no want no man to come to me and him rank and a harm. Me no want drop from Dick from Tom and Harry and Tom. Me no want none of that. Dirty girl, come off, yeah! Go tell your dirty thinking mama if you take you back in her big hole, saggy hole, suck you back in the suction hole, please. Beg your mama if you let you back in the gully hole. Let her back in your gully hole, mommy, please. Get that back of your son, you nasty ball hole. Then come out and see it and put it in the way of them. Where they come from, then come by here, then come by here, then come by here. Come in and them throw the motherfucker. You got over it. Hello. Hello. Fuck is this? Hello, wake up. Hello. What you gonna do? Punching at a lick fader. I can do it too. Eh? The man keep calling me time, I tell him some don't call him back. I look smart in him. Oh, the man, all the train conductor man. Me tell I call me about to buy some flowers and he come and check me like anything else. So I dirty girl in my talk too. Yeah, come and listen, I'm busy. I just came in. I got to call him back. I don't know about the man. Oh, listen. So we could have like an old man afraid like that for come wine by me. The man old already. And what am I going to do? That's a waste of time for even invest time into that. If you invest in something else with power upon it like a big power saw, you know, power in it, you know, it's like a work when you plug it in. You don't want to owe like a freaking vacuum cleaner, son. Verp and it's stop. You need something going to clean the carpet right. Fuck. Yo, all I'm been up like that, I look woman. I mean, that's crazy. I mean, if you're not a woman, you're old like that, something wrong right with you. You take all the fucking young days when we the old look woman, make an old man like you, like band up on me for the one. Why these people have nerves, eh? Really? And I call like him really thinks of me in I mean, no, sir. I know me not call him back. And all, I mean, where you going to go with an old man at a bubble pan, you go? That's like setting you back, man. That's like really setting you back in life. I'm telling you. You know, it's too damn old. You know, you don't want to take an old man for come wind up on you and the pie. You know, some girl do it. I don't do it. For old man. I'm sure that he was old, but he wasn't that old like that. But he was old still. I never want him. I like old like that. Old way older than me. Come on, I'm a big man. I can't deal with that. Too old. Like when people old and bend up like that, I don't still look, man, because you're just old and bend up. I mean, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Do all you want, it doesn't make a fucking difference. Put all the comment, full up the box with everything you want, full up and go on. Find a fake profile, because you go on a fake file, a fake, and you can't come real. Now if I'd be on fake profile and come on people line, you can't know better. I'm sorry for you. At least me have something to watch tonight and enjoy myself. Come go up on them and watch my blackout. Everybody need for blackout. So I'm done, I'm going to put it back on and watch it right back over and enjoy it. Enjoy it all the way. Trust me, I know for blackout then gone. Say bye-bye for now, because you won't see no more video. I'm not open it back again.
So I get blocked from now on will not be open. I'm not gonna open it for you to come back over here and exalt your thinking dirty self. Like I said, I'm not work at Jamaican broke. I can't go and mix up and go at Jamaican come on YouTube and Facebook every day the same fucking nasty mix up and things that I put in away and go back at Jamaica broke. Not me. I'm an actress and that's what I do. I'm funny. My lipstick is funny. My makeup is funny. Make people laugh and bring joy to people's life. If you don't like it, go and suck blood clot dick. And people will make happy. You understand? And I dip me a clean with my tongue. You understand? I'm old in life, me live in a nasty life. I teach people to pray, have fun, me laugh with the people. Who don't like it, go fucking jump off some of the dirty thinking self. When a bad mind active can't stop me reach too far. Too much people love me for one, this man don't like me and get you or 5 or even 10. I'm sorry for Uno. Uno too late right now. Uno too late. Come here, live a clean life. I don't want to suck dick and man not change and have sex and all go to place. I work and I pay attention to make the people I'm happy. I don't like it, go break a nail somewhere else and come off of this. Hello. You have to tell me, come my skin pretty doing. Colin, forget your rubbings. Yeah, I'm on in 347-469-3874 or 347-737-1812. I'm on in, because it's too late now. After 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock gone, that's it. So, it gone. I was in him gone in bed. I'm going to do it together, so. We're not up this late, because I wake up early in the morning. But tomorrow, I wake up, no problem. I'm not going to go on to bed because someone have to go work tomorrow. And I love you. I know about the haters. I'm going to go get them right now. I love you. Tomorrow, come on. I'll try maybe come on in the evening because I think that's the time you come off work. So I'm going to try to come on in the evening tomorrow. Instead of the morning time. Alright? But some people might be home. So I'll come on in the morning and the evening tomorrow. Okay? I love you guys. Have a good night. God bless you. Have a wonderful night, you and your family. I'm going to sleep in myself. I'm going to clean up and then go to bed like everybody else and pray. And I hope you have a wonderful time laughing tonight. And God be with you. If it's the most thing I can do for you is make you laugh, I'll do that. Because sometimes we just need to laugh because nothing else you can do. So I love you and hope you have a wonderful night tonight with your kids, with your mothers and daughter, your kids, your grandkids. Many people watching from all parts of the world. Thank you so much. God bless you. I like to have fun and to be this funny person. It's just part of my personality. I've always been like this. I've always been like this. And, you know, my family would laugh or people would see me doing certain things. I laugh. I don't wonder why they laugh. And, you know, when I sell my jewelry, but people just find it funny with me be. So don't worry about it. Just enjoy your life. It's best to be silly than to be hateful and to be like really stuck up and hateful. It's best to be joyful and laugh instead of doing that. Because when you can laugh and make people laugh, it's a blessing from God. It's really a blessing. And you also get to sell your stuff and eat your food and relax. So it's a blessing. So you cannot get upset when people that do not have blessed like you do. They can't afford to go out and buy them a pair of sandals they want like you do or eat where you want to eat and you have the same place to live. Then can't do it even though you don't own it, but at least God put in a place where you're comfortable, you can sleep good. You have Jay help you out and you know, him did a little thing, him help you with it and you and him working together. And it's a wonderful thing. So I don't have to be on the roadside like I used to be on the body or shoot me around that now go happen. So many people not going to like me because they like to know that, okay, me over the man's house, and they have something to talk about. You know, she live in one dirty place, rat and this and that, you come out, your clothes don't smell good. You know, come out like, damn, your clothes smell stink. Because a dirty rat place you live in, your clothes not going to smell good. If you have rat infested and bugs over your clothes, no matter where the clothes not going to smell good, no matter you wash them. Because the whole place smell like that itself. And sometimes the woman have the garbage inside the whole place stink. So your clothes going to smell like, because it's fiber, it pick up scent. But so that's another thing I want to get rid of because I can't people up here say she popular and she looks, she smell bad or something. It's not a good thing. So all of that, God help me to get away from something. I have enough water for beard and wash my clothes, them and just clean everything clean. We can go lay down sleep good. And now without no bugger bite me or no rat or piss by my clothes or my jacket and all them something there. It's a blessing. So some people talk about, yeah man, how she used to look at her. Yeah, me coming from, but me traveling up. It's where me coming from. But me making result. I never have no money, but me making result. And me left out of that. By trying to make result and believe in God and have faith in God and move myself out of that. And I will move to something bigger up further on. So I just a step at a time. But at least we make a step without no money and push myself out. You understand me? So when people want to sit and criticize in America here, it's not easy. And some people that say, why you still living there? Why you move out and go get a own apartment by yourself? I don't want to live in an apartment by myself. I'm good here. Because security there, J there, everything there, be good. We're not going to live in a building here for go through security and go through everything. Why you coming here and all that? You can't just come at people place. We go rent apartment out there summer. People start follow me. People start lay away at me. I live alone by myself. Man out, the woman out. They be so popular all over the world. But when I live in the old house with the rat, there's a lot of problem. People come outside, take pictures. People come outside, people have this. They come and buy breakfast in peace. Next to the restaurant. Somebody have camera up me and the man will come buy something. Not like that. So when it's me can get some peace without nobody really harass me. We run into some good and say, oh, I watch you all the time and I follow you. And I and so on and gone. You know? I have to be where I get good security and good covenant. And this is good enough for me. I can steer some work and save and build up myself to better things. So when I get money, and I can buy a condo apartment or buy something I know I own, that's maybe not have no people about me night or any kind of thing. I not go to school there because someone go rent one place and just go, so no. That can be detrimental. You have to be careful where you live and how you live. Because people know you. And some people that don't like you, when you come out, they're going to start making shades at you. They're going to start giving you a problem. Like when I was living on Bergen Street, like I tell a lot of people come out today, and we tell the girls, so my face look better than your ass. My ass look better than your clean. Because my face is bump up. And when me I come up to with people, some of them lay up, and the people start to fight me and let me down on the street, jump me a whole bunch of whole family. Just because they see me I go to radio, I look clothes on, I'm looking something that's bad when I come up on the block. Some people evil, and just on the internet, them evil, you know. Them evil in real life. Because when the summertime come, them come out and hang up on the block. If you walk by, you see them out, definitely look trouble to your face to face. And say something about you, and I say some shit and I try to make trouble with you. So people, devil is everywhere, the evil is everywhere. But you have to keep being yourself and what you're a child of God. And you have faith and nobody not going to break it down. You're strong enough and you're ready for them. Because I'm strong enough for this, believe me. You can't stop me. Every time they try to eat me, still come on. I still come on. I eat and relax myself. You know, so my face look different from where they eat and relax. I'm not stressed about my youth. God got me covered. I'm not stressed about none. You understand? So good night. I'm love and big up on yourself from Jamaica to Toronto to England to Europe. Canada, the same thing, Toronto. And Brazil, Cayman Island, Guyana, Grenada, New Jersey, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Honduras, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, let's say Pakistan, Hong Kong, Trinidad, St. Croix, Dallas, Texas, Florida, Philadelphia, Chicago, so much places, Connecticut, all the way in Bridgeport, Connecticut, all them places there, on a big up on yourself. I have all those people from all over. It's just so much different places. Sometimes I can't remember. Queens, big up yourself. Long Island, big up yourself. You know, it's just so much place. And sometimes I can't remember because it's just almost everywhere, every country. So I want to big up on yourself. I know that I love you guys. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for laughing with me and enjoying life, because you don't know if it's the last time you're going to live. You know if you're going to wake up tomorrow. And we have lost so many people through the year and friends and so on, you know. And you only can be happy and have faith. So when you travel happy. Don't let your life hang up on silly people and crazy people, because they're not going to get no better. They just want somebody to be sad like they are. They want you to argue with them to get some attention, because nobody's paying attention to them. Whatever they're doing is not, because nobody's going to get up and hate you if they're happy with themselves. Even if they feel like they can do them something, they're not going to have time to be throwing shade at you and come throwing shade at you. It's just a person is very unhappy with themselves. So I love you guys. Don't be unhappy with yourself, whether you're fat, whether you're skinny or whatever. Don't be unhappy with yourself. Be happy with who you are. Laugh with your children. Make jokes. Make fun. Always laughing. Always keep your spirit uplifting. Because if you're not uplifting your spirit, you're going to feel down. And when you're feeling down, you're just really going to feel more down and more down. It's like if you're feeling bad about something and you just keep feeling bad about it, it's just feeling worse and feel worse. You're not getting better. Because your memories is like that. When you think about something, you have the copy of it. All right, it's like a ball, like a little ball. And what it does, when you keep thinking about this, it multiplies more and more. That's the reason when people do bad things, the more bad things they do, is more worse them get. Because they multiply it. Your brain is like everything record. And it's like you're multiplying that record. You understand me? Over and over. You're multiplying it, and it breed up and make more copy and more copy and more copy. So you become real evil. So if you think good, you're going to multiply more good. If you think faith, you're going to understand about life more and know that God is going to help you. It's in His time and season, that's when you're going to get it. Not when you want, when you least expect. That's the time He's going to work it out for you. When you least expect, you're like, man. And you're like, put your mind on it and definitely wait for God, because you don't pray to Him already. So you don't know something going to do it, but you don't know how. But get up with it for your mind like, why something going to look around and see if you get done, because somebody will call me today, I'm pray to God, and I know somebody will call me today. It don't work like that. You pray and you leave it alone because you believe in God. You ask for what you want and you leave it alone and continue living your life and pray to Him every day, giving Him thanks, asking forgiveness, and leave it alone. And when you least expect, it just happen. All right, so I love you guys. Take good care of each other. Love each other. Don't worry about what nobody say about you. Don't make people have bad words and try these bad words to bring you down. When you're a person rising, you keep rising and you reach to a certain distance, the same people trying to bring you down, they be kissing your ass because they know can't break you. So remember that. These are the devil children. These are the trial that you got to go through when you're about to step up. Nothing comes easy. You're going to have thick skin and go through. Take your thick skin and go through, mama, because you're on a platform. You make your own platform. You're working hard to keep your platform, and you entertain the people. Many of them have people, they can't entertain nobody. They don't have the people them sitting there doing nothing because they can't entertain, they can't make them laugh. So it's the best thing that God gave me. I can make you laugh and make you have a wonderful night, and God bless you, and I see you tomorrow. And that's the most important thing. Love your children, love yourself, love your life. Stop worrying about other people's life and think, do whatever make you happy. Whatever you like to buy, to wear, you're waiting for that you like. And if somebody's not like it, it's to satisfy you as a human being. All right? I love you guys and have a wonderful night. Mwah. And I talk to you tomorrow.